Hi, I'm Snehal and today we have done face emotion detector. In this, we have used face detection. There we are having the video mode on and we can use the live face by using the camera. Now I'm clicking on the camera to make it on and my face is detected by the bounty. And now I will execute the program by the run. Toby will detect the expressions on my face. Okay, so I will run. It has detected my face as neutral. Now, happy, surprised, angry, and again neutral. So these are the different expressions that it has detected for me. This was super exciting program for me.